Maglalaro tayo ngayon ng aking mga toy. Yan. Papakita ko sa inyo ang mga aking laruan na food. Okay, this is plate. 2 plate. Isa sa akin. 1 for me and 1 for you. Yan. Wait. And fish. This is fish. And this is chicken. It's a 3 chicken. Here's 1. Yeah. Okay. This is strawberry, egg, and hot dog. It's a 2 hot dog. And 1 more egg again. And banana, 2. And drink, carrot, hamburger, ham, and fries, and I don't know this, grapes, corn, and talong. Okay? Okay. Napakilala ko na sa inyong mga lahat na itong ating lulutuin. Kaya huwag kayong aalis. Magbabalik ang Sahura Food Toys. Magluluto na tayo mamaya. Abangan niyo yan.